Today's dining etiquette. Cucumbers are made up of mostly water. They are a good source of hydration, especially on a hot day. First cucumber sandwich was made in 1800s. They were originally served to tea parties of high society. Some popular varieties to add to your cucumber sandwiches: cream cheese, mayonnaise, dill, or chives. They are made with thinly sliced cucumbers. You now have your topic of discussion to make a good impression at your quaint, essentially British afternoon tea. Cucumber sandwiches will be served. Enjoy, my delightful, elegant friend. Today's social etiquette on the most beautiful, quintessential British summer day. I feel as if I've gone back into the 18th century. Afternoon Tea Week was established to help secure a tradition that graces British afternoons since the 1840s. I'm here at the magnificent Belvoir Castle to enjoy quaint, essential afternoon tea. And Afternoon Tea Week is between the 7th and 13th of August. This was a creme de la creme experience. Take a look at the view as I enjoy my afternoon tea of the Leicestershire countryside. For over a decade, I've been creating content here on YouTube.